Good morning, I've got an appointment at 10:30 for the wee fella.
What's the wee chap's name?
Bomber.
Take a wee seat.
Down, boy, down! Oh, good boy, good boy.
He's a wee beauty. What's his name? Thumper. What age is he?
36, what about yours?
35.
Sit down! Come on, behave yourself. He's always getting himself worked up in here. Every time.
Oh, don't be daft. Wee Bomber pissed himself the last time we were here. They're funny like that. They remember.
Bomber? So, what can we do for Bomber today?
Well, I had him out all last week and he was up and down that part like a yo-yo. I had him in there yesterday and it just wasn't himself. Then last night, he was scratching his butts like a madman.
Okay. Let me have a wee look at Bomber.
It's okay. Daddy's here.
Okay. Look, that's nothing to worry about. We'll get that sorted for you.
Sorry, mate. Just gets yourself really nervous in here, sorry.
Oh, don't worry about it, Bob. All the best. Cheers, guys.
Shake it like a boom. I say boom.